Friends, today I am going to discuss how to learn Pythons. So first I try to understand just something like this is a way to learn Pythons. I will give you some topics to understand the basic Pythons. So first I want to write here like a print and hello worlds, and now I am going to the run here, and it is a working look like this, means it is a running like it has been printed hello world. So this is your first programming has been learned. Similarly, the second, if you want to write any syntax, so syntax can be written as a double quotations, single quotations and triple quotations. So first I have written like this syntax, like the whether you are new to the programming or an experienced developers, it is easy to learn and use Python. So I have put it here double quotations, and now I can learn here. So I can put here this one. So I hope. And third, we can see here just I am going to the print and single quotations I have also done. Similarly, we can also, if you want to write like a paragraphs, so we need to put here triple quotations. So I hope, but if you are putting here one side is the double and one side is a triple, so you are getting the mistakes. So don't do this mistakes, because this mistakes is called EOL and while scanning a string literals. Next, indentations. Indentations is the, what is the indentations in the Python? So indentations, just if you are writing like a print and some syntax, so you don't have any problem. But if you are applying like a if functions, if 8 is greater than and colon here, I have put it here the colon. So if you are putting the enter symbol and going the second row, so you need to put here the indentations. So you put the like a tabber once, twice, thrice, it doesn't matter, but need to put here indentations. So this is called indentations, means a space bar. So this is the indentations. If you did not like to put here indentations, you have gotten the error. So look here, I have gotten the error because slicing I have already put it here. But if I putting here indentations, then we can see your key is running very well. Another x will equal to 5, so y will equal to Rahul and print x comma y. And so x is a like one variable, numeric variable, and y is the Rahul is the another syntax variable. Syntax, so we can easily print the with the together. And similarly, just I have written here the both as a syntax, and we can easily print here. Now you can put here the double quotation, single quotation, doesn't matter. So but if you want to make a sentence with the variables, so let's see, just I have taken x as a variable like a Python's, y is the another variable, age and z will equal to the third variable, and now I want to print here. So we can see here these three variables can make a single sentence like a Python is a language. And similarly, we can also apply here like a Python is a language, and you can put here the plus symbol, and this is a, you can make a one single word. So I hope it is clear. Now we are going to discuss the we can end a print statement with the any characters like a string using this parameter. So end the output with a space. So now print welcome to math. Welcome to. So end functions I have used and single quotations. Similarly the mathematics to learn and this one I have printed. So let's see just what happened. I have printed, so welcome to math and mathematics to learn. Okay, so we can write this way both the print together. If you use like a, if you end the output with the space here. So I think is it clear? Next, similarly, if I am putting here like a welcome to math and end I am putting the @ and second we can write here, put here, look like this. So it has been printed in the single line, both of them. So end the output with this one. Next, just I am going to write here like a print gf and sep and end and print g. So and another the print red, green, blue, and these are. So it provides the new line after the printing this here because I am, look here, just it has been printed like the first line g, f and g because end has been used here. Now next line just print this one like end, it has been put in like a /n and then I am put it here, look like this. So I think is it clear? Separators of this functions like parentheses. So how to use the separators with the print functions? Separators means you can use as a comma. You can write like this, print I am comma to learn Python and print 1213. I am going to learn Python 1213 and /n just you, if you want to one line converted into the two lines, so you can use a /n. So let's see, just I have printed here. Yes, these are the two lines, and /t means to print the new value after the tab and space. So now variables, rule for Python's variables, like a variable's name can only contain the alphanumeric characters and underscores. So variables name can only contains the alphanumeric characters and underscores. Another the variables names are the case sensitive, like age, all three are the different variables. So let's see, we can write this way and we can print, but something is the illegal, like you can't write the variable's name, it will start from the some numbers. You don't write the means between the negative signs, and you don't have any gap between these. My names don't need to the gap here. These are the illegal variables, means these are the not a perfect variable, we will get the errors. Okay, so I hope is it clear? Now after that we are going to write here there are three camel cases. One is the each word except the first start with the capital letter. Another the Pascal case is the each word start with the capital letters. As snake case, each word is separated by an underscore characters. So just I have written here my variable name, just my and v as a capital and another the name. So you can see here there are the three words has been connected, so we can easily specify like the first is the my, another is the variable, capital B has been started, and third is the name. All are single variable. So this is name, I have written the name money, this is the camel cases. Similarly, if you write the m as a start with the capital letters and variable, the second is also the capital letter, and third is also all together name the given like a Pascal cases. And if you snake cases, need to the write here my underscore variables underscore name, this is called a snake case. So these are a way, and you can also read like a textbooks, so you can understand. This is a way to try here. There are reserved keywords like a Python, some reserves keyword, and so let's the false depth. There are reserved keyword like a Python's keyword false def, if there is none, del, import, return, true, elif, in, try, and else is, while, as, except, lambda, with, asserts, finally, non, local, ild, break, for, not, class, from, or, continue, global, pass. So these are the reserved keywords, and there are the reserved keyword we are not means you don't take like a as a variables. Okay, most of the time if you are taking as a variables, you will get a. And so help, if you like write here help and keywords, so you can see the all name like this. So let's see here, so all name has been mentioned here, right? So similarly, all reserved keywords you keep in your mind. And after that, what is the data types? So in the programming, the data types is a very important concept. So now the text types, this is called the str, string. Another is the numeric types, this is called integer, floats, complex. Third is the sequence types like a list, tuples, range, and mapping types like a dict, and set types like a set and frozen sets, and boolean types like a booleans. So first, data types programming data is an important concept. So let's discuss one by one. So just I have written x will equal to hello world. This is the str, means a string type of data. 20, x will equal to 20 like a integers, x will equal to 20.5 like a floats, 1j complex. So j it represent like a complex, but if you read like a textbook, I represent as a iota like a complex, so don't confuse. X will equal to like it has been created like a list, so we need to the close all these objects name with the square brackets. And if you write here x will equal to like a parenthesis, inside of the parenthesis given the fruits name, so these are called tuples. Range, you can write the sex here, and x will equal to like you can write here the like a quotation bracket, and it is a quotation bracket, so like it is a dix, okay. And frozen set, look here, inside of the parenthesis look like her curly brackets, and the x will equal to true, booleans, x will equal to b, and double quotations hello like a bytes, x will equal to none, and none types. So okay, so these are the basics. So I think it is a clear and it will be helpful. I will describe in the next class more. Thank you for